Oh. Oh, I don't know what this is. Oh. What the way? Where'd it go? Oh. Oh, guys, we got a fish. We got a fish. Oh, it's a nice one too. Come here. Yes. This is the biggest bass I've caught out of this pond. Nuts. I'm not gonna release him. I just caught him. All right, Diddy. Thank you. Oh, there we go. Got another one. Yes. Yes. All right, sis. Thanks for playing. Again, don't know if it's a male or female, but I'm just gonna call it for the sake of the nickname. All right, girl. See you. Carl, is that a fish?
I thought it was a snag for a second, then I saw it keep moving, and I was like, oh, got him. Got him.
Little dude.
He's chunky though.
He's
He's kind of heavy.
Oh, I wonder if they're just hanging out over here. I haven't got nothing yet.
No way.
Oh, that's... You got it? Oh. Oh.
TV.
Wow, that's awesome.
On the ultralight.
Like, how do we keep doing this? And hold it up.
That's still a PB.
Peaceful.
Nice and peaceful.
I'm casting over there. Oh. Oh, we got another jumper. Yes! Just as I was giving up, guys, caught the first fish of the day. Oh! Oh, I don't know what this is. Oh! Oh! Oh, you guys! Holy crap! What? Look at that. Holy biggest freaking thing. Oh! No. Don't you dare. Yes! Yes, yes, yes! Heck yes! Look at that. Look at that. Yes! Yes. You aren't going nowhere either. Check out this guy, you guys. Wow. Yes, after the day I've been having, this just makes it right here. Yes. Man, like, how big? He's a big one. Can barely freaking hold him up. All right, let's get him back. See you later.